What is the value of machining speed used in PBM process? A 0.17.5 m min. B 8.5 10.5 m min. C 15.5 19.5 m min. D 20.5 25.5 m min. The correct answer is 0.17.5 m min. What is the value of specific energy used in plasma beam machining process? A 100 watts cm3 min. B 200 watts cm3 min. C 300 watts cm3 min. D 400 watts cm3 min. The correct answer is 100 watts cm3 min. What is the value of material removal rate in plasma beam machining process? A 50 cubic centimeters min. B 100 cubic centimeters min. C 150 cubic centimeters min. D 200 cubic centimeters min. The correct answer is 150 cubic centimeters min. What is the value of the power used in PBM process? A 0.110 kilowatts. B 200 kilowatts. C 200 400 kilowatts. D 400 700 kilowatts. The correct answer is 200 kilowatts. What is the maximum value of the thickness used in PBM process? A 100 millimeters. B 200 millimeters. C 300 millimeters. D 400 millimeters. The correct answer is 200 millimeters. What is the temperature reached by cathode in order to produce plasma beam? A 12,000 C. B 18,000 C. C 28,000 C. D 40,000 C. The correct answer is 28,000 C. What is the value of the voltage used in PBM process? A 0.120 V. B 3250 V. C 300 400 V. D 500 600 V. The correct answer is 3250 V. What is the value of velocity of plasma jet in plasma beam machining? A 100 ms. B 300 ms. C 400 ms. D 500 ms. The correct answer is 500 ms. Turning is done on which type of surfaces? A. Flat surfaces. B. Cylindrical surfaces. C. Irregular surfaces. D. Spherical surfaces. The correct answer is cylindrical surfaces. For machining to take place, tool should be penetrated into workpiece to a certain A. height. B. depth. C. length. D. width. The correct answer is depth. Shaping and milling are used to generate which one of the following? A. Cylindrical surfaces. B. Flat surfaces. C. Irregular surfaces. D. Spherical surfaces. The correct answer is flat surfaces. Which of the following are the different shielded plasmas used in PBM? A. Gas shielded plasma. B. Water shielded plasma. C. Gas shielded water shielded plasma. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is gas shielded water shielded plasma. Which motion is responsible to determine the geometry of jobs to be machined? A. Only motion of tool. B. Only motion of workpiece. C. Relative motion between tool and workpiece. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is relative motion between tool and workpiece. PBM is the only process which works faster in steel than steel. A. Stainless mild. B. Mild stainless. C. Remains same all. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is stainless mild. In traditional machining, which component is made of relatively harder material? A. Tool. B. Workpiece. C. Holding device. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is tool. What is the value of the current used in PBM process? A. Up to 200 A. B. Up to 400 A. C. Up to 600 A. D. Up to 800 A. The correct answer is up to 600 A.